In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a book cover mockup using Photoshop. Let's begin to the video. Then choose the quick selection tool and draw a selection like this. Then press Ctrl plus J for copy the selection and new layer. After that, add a new layer and press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C. Go to filter and select vanishing point and follow the process. Hold the control and drag, then press Ctrl V. After that, press Ctrl T to adjust the size on the book cover. Adjust with the right position and press enter. Then right click and choose create clipping mask and change the blending mode to multiply. After that, click on effects and choose blending options. Then hold Alt key and to split the transition. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Also check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support guys.